guys, Skeptic from the future. One, the audio will improve, so don't worry about that. Two, as I was watching this, I realized, I'm not sure why, but the actual, visual part of the video, no idea why, but it always freezes up and it has really low frame rate. Hopefully Oculus will fix that, but enjoy the rest of the video.
Hello everyone, Skeptic here. Now today we are going to be talking about how to get hand tracking. Hand tracking is, in my opinion, a really cool feature. However, right now it's just an experimental feature and you can't actually play any games with it. So like if I go to Beat Saber right now, it's not going to work. So it's going to say something like you're going to have to get your touch controllers. So basically how you actually enable it is you go to settings right here. Once you're in settings, you go
Shut up. This is high frame rate, understand?
to see all. You go to experimental features, which is located right there. You go to hand tracking, which says use your hands as controllers to navigate and interact in VR. To support this feature, we analyze your hands to estimate hand size and how they move. By enabling this feature, you agree to our collection and use of this data as detailed in our hand tracking privacy notice. If you want to read that, go read that, but I don't think anyone's actually reading that. Anyways, let's go enable this. Now, there's also it automatically enables auto-enable hands or controllers, which means if I set them aside right now and I don't use them for a moment, there you go. Now I have hands. I can do whatever I want with them. I can point, I can go like this, I could go like this, anything. It's pretty nice in my opinion. Now, as I was saying earlier, if you go, for example, and you play, let's say, Super Hot, it's going to say controllers required. You'll need your controllers for this app. Use a controller to select continue, or use your hand to select cancel. Now, with your hand, you can't press continue, obviously. So you're going to have to press cancel or get your controllers. And that is going to be all.
Okay, fine, I'll stop.
This video.
Hey, thanks for checking my video out. If you want to see more videos by me, subscribe by clicking on my icon, or check out these videos. Thank you for watching.